Hello, my name's Joe Smith. I'm from Valdez, Alaska. I came down to work on the oil spill here in the Gulf of Mexico in the first part of June. We're in the process of cleaning up. I worked on a boat, on this boat that I'm standing on called the Greater Scott. We used skimmers called current busters, and they're inflatable skimmers that we stored on reels on the boat, and we would deploy the skimmers, and then shrimp boats would grab the skimmers and pick up oil. And there were two other boats in our fleet that would come along and offload the oil from the skimmers. And in the process, sometimes they got tore up, and part of our job was to pull the skimmers on board to repair them if we could. And that would save a 2 to 3 week turnaround. And these skimmers are very efficient. They're made in Norway, and they're very tough, very efficient. And we were basically the current buster fleet out of Mobile. On board the boat, there's 2 captains and 2 deckhands, and myself. And that was the basic crew. And whenever I needed help to deploy a skimmer or pull one on, I would get crew members off the shrimp boats to come aboard to help. And we had a couple of sport fishing boats also. And the boats really made the crew. The crews worked hard, and once I taught them how to repair it, I just would stand back and they would come on and do the repairs themselves. They didn't even need to be told. The task force is one group of boats. We were Task Force 704, and we had 22 boats. We had some shrimp boats for towing the skimmers. We had charter fishermen who would go out, and we called them scout boats. They would find oil and they would help direct the shrimp boats to the biggest concentrations of oil for cleanup. And this boat that I'm on was the fastest one at 24 to 25 knots, and we would get calls from helicopters or airplanes, or even get satellite reports, and we would go check out the reports to see if there was any oil in our area, and direct the fleet to that area to pick up oil. And basically Task Force 704 was the current buster fleet off of Mobile.